Welcome to the WVSA, the Platinum Wedding Service for your perfect day. Peace of mind guaranteed. The Wedding Venues and Suppliers Association is committed to promoting, raising and upholding standards within the UK wedding services industry. All members of the WVSA operate to a strict code of practice to maintain the highest standards of quality and professionalism, but with a relaxed and friendly service. The WVSA offers a free and all-inclusive wedding programme that ensures total peace of mind when choosing the perfect wedding venue and selecting the finest wedding suppliers, all of whom offer the highest standards with truly outstanding value for money. Because of these high standards, we're able to offer free wedding insurance when a wedding venue is booked through the WVSA. The WVSA offers brides and grooms a unique showcase of the most stunning wedding venues and the finest wedding suppliers. But we're much more than just a wedding directory website. Each accredited venue or supplier has their own unique page with information about their business, including photographs, videos and recent testimonials. From the showcase page, the bride and groom can access our members' latest special offers and make contact with just the click of a button. Our wedding services coordinators are also on hand to help with finding the perfect venue and choosing the right wedding suppliers. If you'd like to find out more or apply for membership, please visit the WVSA homepage at www.wvsa.org.uk.